Hey guys, how to scale your business with smart Notion systems. This is the actual blueprint CEOs use. Step 1. Build business HQ in Notion. Sections to create: sales, marketing, operations, products, finance, HR. This becomes your company's brain. Step 2. Build CRM system. Add lead, qualify, proposal, won, lost. Auto-create tasks when lead moves. Add revenue, a dashboard. You track deals without spreadsheets. Step 3. Build a project management system. Use databases plus linked views, project board, task board, deadlines, calendar view, team workflow view. Everything is connected. Step 4. Build SOPs, standard operating procedures. Document everything: sales calls, onboarding, delivery workflows, content workflows, hiring processes. Teams can execute without you. Step 5. Build automated dashboards. Include revenue, profit, KPIs, team performance, costs. You make decisions instantly. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.